Today we are in our Munich office for PTC. We are organizing our open day here after the big success of last year's open day in Barcelona.
This is an excellent way to showcase our pride for PTC and an excellent opportunity to meet potential candidates.
We have invited external people over to our Munich office to participate in interactive demos on all of our solutions. We also have a couple of external exhibitors that have created very cool stuff using our solutions, so then our attendees can also see how our solutions live in the real world. And we will also have a social networking mixer with a very special guest. Open Day is an initiative organized by Talent Acquisition in EMEA, but it's really a very good opportunity to collaborate across offices and across departments.
And we're looking forward for our next edition for the Open Day in Barcelona and the rest of EMEA.